Dear fellow Ukrainians, dear friends, as in the case of individual events in our lives, events in international politics can rarely be described as black or white. But the war that your country has been pushed into is an exception. You're the ones rightfully fighting against the Kremlin aggression. You're the ones bravely defending your independence and your country's freedom to choose its own destiny. If anyone, Slovenians are aware of the hardship you are facing. In the war for an independent Slovenia in 1991, we also had to grab every available weapon and stand together with the civil defense to prevail against the forces that challenge our freedom. Only your patriotism and courage were the tickets to international recognition. You're the ones standing on the right side of the history fighting for a just cause. The world understands very well. By defending your country, you defend your fundamental values that are our common, European, and also universal fundamental values. By defending your beloved Ukraine, your home, your homeland, you fight as well for the vision of our continent to be free and at peace with itself. Your fight is our fight too. Thank you from all my heart for your efforts, for your determination, for your unity, for your courage, for your immense courage and your great sacrifices. Let me assure you that your struggle won't be forgotten. Ukrainians are not and will not be left alone. The family of free European nations is where you have always belonged to. Let me reaffirm our solidarity with you and my full support for immediately granting Ukraine a clear perspective for rapid integration into the European Union. Glory to Ukraine. Slava Ukraini.